welcome back to Dreamstyle Chaos. I'm your girlfriend Reena, and today we're doing a vlog style what I eat in a day video. I am really excited. You guys seem to really enjoy the last one, and since we're in the quarantine time, it is so easy to just keep munching onto junk food, and I really hope this video is helpful for you guys because ज़्यादा इसमें खाना है ही नहीं to begin with. So everything that I'm showcasing is pretty much liquid based and pretty much something that is mostly available at your house. So yes, I'm really excited for this video. Hope you are too, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so I've been up about, I want to say, an hour and a half, and it's 9:45 at the moment, and I'm already done with my one glass of water. Now the aim over here is to have at least 5 to 6, because this is a half-liter bottle, so I'm really trying to consume as much water as I can. And the plan of action over here is, because we have all the time in the world and we're not going out anywhere, it's easy to consume a lot of junk which is kept in the house. So the plan of action is to not let ourselves feel hungry, and every time when you do, instead of having real food like real people, we're gonna have water instead. That's really what I do. And you know, honestly, when you consume a lot of water, you kind of get so exhausted going to the bathroom every freaking hour that eating is the last thing on your mind. I mean, that pretty much works for me. So yeah, I am doing my second bottle of the day, and while I'm at it, I had some nuts to munch onto, not a lot. Again, proportions really matter. So I have 5 almonds and 2 walnuts. Hey, wow, that's a really awkward hand right there, but like, hey, I'm in my car, I'm done taking my shower, I had my breakfast long time back, and I'm here. By the way, I'm not going anywhere, I'm just here to warm up my car, because if you're a car owner, you know the struggles of having rats. Like, no matter what you do, they just somehow find a way to snuggling in your car and land up biting some of the other wire, and then you have to do the whole maintenance thing. इससे better है कि 15-20 मिनट थोड़ा सा गाड़ी वार्म अप करो एंड घर पे चले जाओ. एटलीस्ट दैट इज़ व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग सिंस द पास्ट कपल ऑफ डेज, जब से ये क्वारंटीन टाइम चालू हुआ है एंड वी आर अनएबल टू यूज़ आवर व्हीकल्स. एंड या, आई एम जस्ट अबाउट टू हैव माई green tea. So I have my warm water right here, and I really wanted to get the US वाला blogger type feeling, इसलिए purposely मैंने इसे यहाँ तक नीचे कैरी किया. वैसे मैं घर पे भी पी सकती थी, but content guys, content. So I'm having my green tea. This is the Lipton green tea in lemon honey variant. हर green tea अगली होती है, no matter कौन सा flavor आप try करो. I'm just going to dip it. Wow, I really haven't thought this through now that I'm doing this, because फिर I have to keep this thing open. Oh नहीं, ये बंद नहीं. अच्छा हो, चलो ठीक है. I have my green tea bag right here. I'm gonna like let it chill in for a while, I guess. Maybe I should have, you know, done that and then spoken to you, but you know, multitasking and me yeah, never works. I was just watching Stay Quirky or Miss Quirky, I forgot her name. She has a very cool YouTube channel, and she's a very famous YouTuber from India. And I mean, she just uploaded 1 घंटे पहले her what I eat in a day video, and I was just watching it, and damn respect for her. She has like alarms set and punctuality. Like, अगर nutritionist ने कहा है 15 मिनट के बाद ही करो, तो 15 मिनट के बाद ही वो करती है. And somehow मैं बड़ा lightly लेती हूँ 15 मिनट. अरे चल ठीक है यार, 1 घंटा तो हो ही जाता है, उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है. I am not very punctual with my diet, but I like her one idea, which was कि she sets alarms and reminders. I don't know if I said that already, but yeah, she sets alarms and reminders for her every meal. Maybe that is why I don't get the expected results now that I think of it. And I'm just like, yeah dude, I really did my best until I like really sit down and like get a throwback कि like shit यार, मैंने ये तो खाया, मैंने वो भी खाया, मैंने ये तो नहीं किया. मैंने आधी चीज़ें ना मैं देख के eliminate करती हूँ. Like for example, technically in the morning she's not only given me नींबू पानी, okay, she's given me आंवला का juice, तुलसी का जूस प्लस नींबू पानी, बट आई एड इट अकॉर्डिंग टू माई विश. तो मैं बस नींबू पानी पीती हूँ. व्हेन शी आस्क्स मी तुमने सब फॉलो किया, मैं बोलती हूँ हाँ, आई डोंट नो लाइक व्हाट्स रियली रॉन्ग विद माई बॉडी. आई मीन आई जस्ट डोंट गेट इट. एंड या इट्स देन व्हेन आई लाइक रियली सिट डाउन एंड लाइक रियली लुक एट द डाइट, आई एम लाइक अरे अरे ये तो मैंने किया नहीं, ये भी नहीं किया, वो भी नहीं किया, मैं क्या ऐसे उल्लू बना रही हूँ कि मैंने सब किया. So maybe don't do that. But in my defense, the reason I did not have amla and tulsi, amla नहीं खाया because amla available नहीं है घर पे. तुलसी बहुत available है, but मुझे नहीं खानी वो. तो that is that. बहुत बकवास मैंने कर ली, तो चलो ठीक है, bye. But no, I have to showcase how I drink my green tea. God, someone needs to get me out of this quarantine right now. I'm going insane. Like, I thought I honestly slept for like 4-5 hours something. Turns out I only slept for an hour. Like, what the hell? It's still so bright. Like, it's brighter than my future also right now. And it's like, what the hell? And now that I'm up, I'm like, well, I'm hungry. Because Netflix देख के भी बोर हो रहा है, मैं पागल हो रही हूँ, पागल. Oh my god. Anyways, that's not why you are here. I'm about to have my evening snacks. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be hungry in next 2 hours something, but yeah, till then I'm going to have some watermelon. You know what, I think I'm going to enjoy my evening snacks with my family, because literally मैं bedroom के बाहर निकली ही नहीं हूँ दिन भर. So I think it's only fair to go out and visit my parents and wave a little hi to them and maybe have a humanly conversation. Hello people, it is about 7:30 at the moment and I had fruits like what at 6:30 something. So basically it's my mind tricking me into feeling hungry, whereas the truth is I'm really bored. I'm really bored. And in times like these, what I'm supposed to have? Any guesses? You got it right. I'm supposed to have green tea. Yes, it's a very sad life, I get it, but again I think this is a very ideal quarantine diet, especially after all the junk that you've been snacking onto while watching this video, honey. Yes, I see it. I do not recommend you to do this diet post quarantine, because I think this is a lot, because there's not a lot of food. Wait, are you still listening? Am I still making sense? Yeah, never mind, I'm just gonna sip on to this and I'll see you at dinner. Hey, it's Reena from the future. I look super disastrous now that I look at myself, which is not cute, but I love to pull one of the Reena from the future acts. But yeah, I completely forgot to end the vlog, so here I am while editing, realized, oops, iska to end kiya hi nahi hai. So well, yes, that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you super soon. Goodbye.